Today is a really special day, so I'm gonna make a special YouTube video. So as you can see, I am part of I am a Democrat, and the Democrat president, Joe Biden, was elected, and so I am really happy. So this is gonna be my special video about my dog here, Benny. He's a miniature poodle. He weighs about, say, like 10 or 15 pounds. And he is about 3 months old. Oh, and it's also his 2nd month anniversary having him. We got him on Labor Day, September 7th. And, well, he really likes to meet new people. I'm pretty sure he'd bark at the video. I'm sure he'd bark at the video at himself. Okay, I'll let you down. So, that is my dog right there, Benny. This is all I had to say. I will see you later, guys.